Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Well, I'm here looking about some more breakfast again, some more fried dumpling. Yeah, so there, take it easy still. And yeah, me there fry up some dumplings, eat eh? Yeah, almost done fry some dumpling. I look about some for breakfast, yeah, with some tin mackerel. Me there still I take it easy. Yeah. I have two more left for fry, see it there? Mm-hmm. When they are take it easy still. Mm-hmm. Tell me I gotta look for some mackerel with the dumpling this morning. Yeah, see them there? So they look good. Yeah. Yeah man, outdoors or the outer door man. Yeah. I go and take it easy. I fry up some dumpling, yeah. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Well, my daughter do I so take some fresh air also. Yeah. Alright, I go put in another dumpling now. Yeah. So I put in two dumplings and now I fry. Yeah. And I can't wait for the for fry one dumpling, yeah man. Take too long. Yeah, see eh? I'm going to bubble up the in the iron. Yeah. Yeah, people. So I done fry up here now. See the dish empty. Last two dumplings in a pot. Yeah. So when they are gone, chill until they don't then two are done fry. Yeah. See it there? Yeah, people. They're almost done here now. The people hear the breeze. Yeah, man, breeze are blow hard. Actually, yeah. For the breeze, people. Man, the breeze are going hard, man, hard. So the sky pretty to the man. Yeah. Yeah, man, out there are going cool, Yeah. Yeah, man. Dumpling, them want turn. You see them there? Yeah, man. Almost ready enough to take out. And then we can deal with the mackerel afterward, yeah. Why? Just there, take it easy. Yeah. Out there, up in the hills, yeah. Yeah. Man, dumpling, they're almost ready, Yeah, man, they're almost ready, So, The little one I can take out and now still. Yeah. Yes, and golden brown. Yeah, ready. Put it in with the rest of the dumpling them. See it there? Yeah, dumpling them are shot, man. Bigger not ready yet, man. See me in the patty, I want to stay a little bit more. Now then you can take out. Color dumpling them, man, they look so good. Yeah, ready. Till bigger can come out now. So my dumpling them they done fry. So I'm gonna deal with the mackerel, you know, people. So I'm gonna go for the mackerel now and come mash it up in a pot now. Yeah. So people, I'm gonna deal with the mackerel now. So I throw some oil in the pot. Yeah, see it there? And I have my seasoning them, yeah, my onion. Yeah. See it there? My onion. See it there? My onion and my scallion and hot pepper. Yeah, see them there? My onion, my scallion and my hot pepper and my mackerel. See it there? Yeah. Ready now for going at the pot. See it there? Yeah. See it there? Yeah. Everything in the pot. Yeah. See it there, people? Yeah, in the pot I simmer down. See it there? Everything I simmer down, people. Yeah. See it there? Right, people, so now I'm gonna put in the mackerel. Yeah, see it there? Put in the mackerel now, people. Mackerel in our pot. Yeah. Yeah, to simmer down, people. Yeah, to fry up, you know. Yeah, see mackerel, eh? Yeah. To simmer down, people. Yeah, up lovely. Yeah, see it there? To simmer down. So, people, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and support my team. Yeah. Like, share, and subscribe to my channel. If you want to see more videos like these, yeah, like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like these. And everybody who subscribe to my channel already, thank you all for the support and continue to support my team. Yeah. So next time, people, yeah, my mackerel ready now. Yeah, mackerel ready now, people. See it there? So I'm gonna eat my dumpling and mackerel now for my breakfast. So one cat they come check me for some my breakfast too. So I go eat my breakfast here now and relax myself. Yeah, people, see, eh? Yeah, yeah, people. Alright, next time, remember to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Yeah, alright, people.